severity scoring of behavioral responses of sperm whales or Physeter macrocephalus to novel continuous versus conventional pulsed active sonar. In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. Thanks to all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Controlled exposure experiments, or CEEs, have demonstrated that naval pulsed active sonar, or PAS, can induce costly behavioral responses and set up scenes similar to anti-predator responses. New generation continuous active sonars, or CAS, emit lower amplitude levels but more continuous signals. The researchers conducted CEEs with PAS, CAS, and non-sonar control on free-ranging sperm whales in Norway. Two panels blind to experimental conditions concurrently inspected acoustic and movement tag data and visual observations of tagged whales and used an established severity scale of 0 to 9 to assign scores to putative responses. Only half of the exposures elicited a response, indicating overall low responsiveness in sperm whales. Responding whales, 10 of 12, showed more and more severe responses to sonar compared to non-sonar. Moreover, the probability of response increased when whales were previously exposed to presence of predator and/or competing killer or long-finned pilot whales. Various behavioral changes types occurred over a broad range of severities, 1 to 6 during CAS and PAS. When combining all behavioral types, the proportion of response to CAS was significantly higher than non-sonar but not different from PAS. Responses potentially impacting vital rates, that is, with severity greater than 4, were initiated at received cumulative sounds exposure levels at dBRE1 mu PA2S of 137 to 177 during CAS and 143 to 181 during PAS. In conclusion, this study provides rich descriptive material of the behavioral responses of free-ranging sperm whales to short-term CAS and PAS naval sonar experiment exposures and non-sonar controls. The descriptive analysis clearly shows that various behavioral change types, including avoidance and cessation of feeding, that are considered having some potential to impact vital rate, occurred in response to all sonar types, and that the distribution of the behavioral response categories could vary with sonar type. Responding animals exhibited more response and more severe responses to sonar compared to non-sonar controls.